Hey, what is up, everyone? Jomar Farrales here, Doctor of Physical Therapy. I wanted to talk to you today about how to become a medical marijuana patient in the state of Rhode Island. This video is intended for educational and instructional purposes only and is only meant to help and benefit patients who may be seeking this option and don't know where to go. I've had a couple patients in the past that have asked me how to go about this. And this is something that I feel is important as some patients don't have the knowledge or access to sometimes know how to go about seeking alternative treatments to help with chronic pain. So, before I go into this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Also, like, comment, and share if you found this information valuable and would like to share it with someone who you think may benefit. So let's get right into it here. So you're going to do a quick Google search and you're just going to type in how to become a medical marijuana patient in Rhode Island. And you're going to go to the main website, health.ri.gov, state website here. And so this tells you what you need, but what you're going to do is you're going to click on the patient application form. And right here is a checklist of what you will need in this application form. So if you scroll down, you're going to fill out the front here. First, middle, last name. Have you ever been a medical marijuana patient in Rhode Island? Hit yes or no. And you have to be a Rhode Island resident in order to become a medical marijuana patient in Rhode Island. So you will need a just proof of your driver's license or other type of state ID. And then you're going to complete and sign the patient form, which is down here. Patient form. Fill this out, and depending on your how you do it, you can print it out and fill it out manually and mail it in, or you could just fill it out online here and then print it out and mail it in. So application takes about 2 to 4 weeks in total. But then what you're going to do after you fill out the patient form is you have to submit a practitioner form. So this is a form that is going to be signed by a physician. And now it can be an advanced practice nurse, a PA, or an MD, licensed to practice in Rhode Island. And they're going to fill out this form, practitioner form. Ask for their license number, their address, so on and so forth. And then they will check off what medical condition you would qualify for. Okay, so you'd qualify, they check one of these things off, and then they will also have to sign here if there is a patient with autism spectrum disorder. Um, this is a separate form for that. All right, but this is the main form that you are going to have them fill out and sign for you. And then if we go up, there has to be a non-refundable application fee. This is $50 or $25 if you happen to be a recipient of Medicaid, SSSI, so on and so forth, or are a veteran with disability. So that is how you go over this or fill out this application. And now what you're also going to need is, this is just a minor form. So if you have, or if you are a caregiver or parent for a minor, you will need to fill out this form as well. And it has to just get notarized. Okay, but that's for minors. And you have to get a background check. So take this form, fill it out here, and what you're going to do is you're going to take this form and you can bring it to the local police department, um, the attorney general, or an appointment with the Rhode Island State Police. I think the easiest way would probably just go to your local police department and have them fill it out there or do it there. And then a copy um, will be sent directly to the Department of Health. So they'll take your fingerprints, they'll send this copy, make sure you don't have any um, felonies mainly. So they're going to send it to this address. So that is all part of the application form. You fill it out, okay? And I guess one of the benefits of going this way is that you only have to pay for the application form, which is $50. Um, and that is all. All right. And then once you get your card, and again, it takes about 2 to 4 weeks. Um, and so it can take a little time, but if it's worth it to you to help manage your pain, then you may want to go this route. So there is a $10 lost card fee to reprint a new card. So just make sure you don't lose it. So that is one way of being able to become a medical marijuana patient for chronic pain in the state of Rhode Island. Another way you can do it, if you have the funds, is to simply go to this website here, Canna Docs, and I found this website by simply doing a Google search, and you just want to type in medical marijuana doctors in Rhode Island. So, Canna Docs here takes you to the website. So they have two offices, one in North Smithfield and one in Cranston. What you're going to do is you're just going to click. So say I want to go to Cranston, and these are the prices. So they will do this for you and go over the whole process with you, but it does cost a little bit more. So it just really depends on what you are willing to deal with and wait for. But I do believe that this is a little faster than going through the state. And so you fill this all out, and then they'll actually have you come to the office to do an appointment. So if we go down here, we'll go to frequently asked questions. So credentials, all the medical providers working with this Canna Docs are authorized and licensed to practice in their states, and they also have more extensive knowledge on the therapeutic benefits of medical cannabis. So you can discuss any questions you have with them and talk to them about if it will help with your diagnosis. Um, they also can help guide you if you've never used it before. And also, too, they ask that if you have anything pertinent as far as medical records to bring it, just so that they have documents to help justify a qualifying medical diagnosis. And so they also look into individual prescription history for any past drug use problems. So it's a really thorough way of doing it. It just costs a little bit more than going through the application to the state. But however, you will be a registered medical marijuana patient in the state if you go through this website. And so one of the first things you can expect is you're going to fill out some paperwork. They're going to take your vitals, go over your paperwork, and then the consultant will go over your state's medical program, safe access, applicable laws, and provided information with the use of medical cannabis on potential risks and its side effects. And then you'll meet with your licensed medical provider within the state of Rhode Island, They'll talk to you about your medical history, your treatment options, as well as, if cannabis is right for the qualifying condition. So you can go through that way. And again, that is this website here, Canna Care Docs, and you can find more there. All right. So that is how to become a medical marijuana patient in the state of Rhode Island. I hope this video was helpful. And again, if you enjoyed this video or if you want to share this, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button below, and I will talk to you guys later.